In today's video, we are going to be analysing VRDN. Reason for this is it is a leading gap today, being up over 50% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into it, we can see we're currently sitting around this $22 mark. And so what are going to be resistance levels if the stock continues higher? So now, right now, looking on the 4 hour and the daily chart, we can see it's actually above its third deviation, at least on the 4 hour. So this would indicate to us the stock is oversold, and we would expect this pullback to kind of continue and the move to most likely kind of be dead. However, we will go over the resistance levels first, because if you are someone who's more bullish on the stock and you want to see further up targets, where do we expect it to go? So from where we currently are, we have the next target at around $24.40, because that would be our third deviation on the 4 hour, on the daily. And again, this is kind of the level where we don't ever expect the stock to break through, and if it does, to pull back very quickly, because being past that level is considered very oversold. And if you understand standard deviation, 99.7% of the data trades within the third deviations. So really 0.3% of the data outside of the deviations. That's why we pull back so quickly once we got to that level. And that's one thing to note. If we retest that level, again, we would expect it to get out of that level and pull back quickly. But anyway, we do have a next level even higher at around 25.75 and a final target at 27.75. So again, to the resistance side, as we're already so overbought, we don't really have too many resistance going higher. So those are going to be our key resistance levels. So now we will go over the support levels on VRDN, and this is kind of what we're more interested in, because we expect the stock to kind of continue pulling back from where we are now. And to start off, we have a support level at 22.15, as that is our third deviation on the 4 hour. You can see this is actually where we are now, so this will be interesting by the time you see this video what happened. But really, coming into this level, if the stock is going to go higher, it most likely won't break below this level. It'll kind of hold here. You'll just see buying pressure keep stepping in when we come into this level. However, if we break below this level, come back, retest it, and sell off once more, most likely the move to the upside is finished, and we're just going to continue pulling back. At least that's how the majority of stocks move. Now, going even lower, what are going to be some more support levels? $21, basically dead on, is our second deviation on the 4 hour. So again, another key support level, with the next one being around $18.50, and the next one being $17.50. And then from a while from here, we then have our kind of final level at around $15. And the reason I say this is our final level is this is very close to statistical mean on the daily. So really coming into this level, we wouldn't look to be holding any lower, because once we come into the statistical mean, direction can become unclear. But it also takes us very close to the gap fill at around 14.75. And again, at least on this channel, if you watch it, that's a big technical indicator that buying pressure will come in. Once a gap is filled, usually you pull back until that gap's filled, and then you tend to see another bounce going back up. So that's really why that will be our final target if you're holding this stock short. And even if you're looking for bounce plays, this is kind of the final one that will give you to kind of try and get that bounce play. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another small cap analysis video, check out this video here.